Up to 90% of Zimbabwe's rural population own livestock, either cattle, goats, sheep, poultry, donkeys or pigs. Of these, cattle, goats and poultry are the most common. Livestock is very important to rural populations because it provides for draft power, transport, manure, milk, meat, eggs and a fallback asset, especially in times of drought. The major challenges faced by livestock farmers are an increase in animal disease incidence, poor nutrition and limited access to markets. Against this background, FAO is implementing livestock programs focusing on improving animal health and husbandry and commercialization of small stock, with the overall objective of improving food security and livelihoods. The program also aims to save human life by containing outbreaks and preventing the spread of zoonotic diseases such as anthrax and rabies. In accordance with the Animal Health Act, the Department of Veterinary Services has the mandate to carry out national disease control programs.
FAO is supporting a number of interventions in Zimbabwe, especially in the smallholder sector. In the disease control program, there is tick-borne disease control, there is Newcastle disease vaccinations, there is anthrax and rabies vaccinations, and of late, also supporting livestock production.
Takatichidzidziswa tiri pasekondari apo zvichizi inodonhedzera 1 pazuva ranhasi. Uri musi wa4 tofamba musi wa4 todonhedzera nemidonho 1. Rechi 2 makuisa 2 ngoti mushonga unonga warara. Power unonga usisina yakadini yakakwana. Vamweni vari kusununguka kuti tinozvida. Vamwe unozoti taitosvika mumaititira noise kuti tinotozodzika fa tinoenda kuti chimumpadzise. Huku dzenyu kuti dzenyu mabaira.
The program has been institutionalized within the routine DVFS animal disease control operations, achieving vaccination of nearly all 8 million poultry, covering almost 1 million rural households. The incidence of new outbreaks has declined to insignificant levels.
On the Newcastle disease control, which is very intensive in terms of human requirements, we have included or trained the farmers themselves to do the vaccinations.
Tick-borne diseases account for up to 40% of the recorded deaths of sheep, cattle and goats. In view of the high mortalities of the animals due to tick-borne diseases, FAO has assisted the farmers to safeguard their livestock through the provision of dipping chemicals, construction of small stock dip tanks, and capacity building of communities to establish and manage sustainable dipping services.
Takapiwa zvidzidzo zvema-tick-borne diseases izvozvo kuti tofanira kunotisa mombe dzinenge dzaita ma-tick-borne diseases tichivataurira ma-outbreaks ana rabies tichivataurira ma-outbreaks ana anthrax tichivaudza nana black leg. So tinotoitiswa ma-workshop nevakuru vedu how to dose, dehorning ne-castration takazvidzidziswa.
We are having 24 dippings per year, whereby we are saying from December to March, it's on weekly basis, then April, May, fortnightly, then June to November, we are doing it monthly. But this is just a guide to the dipping session, which can be shifted, doing it strategically depending on the tick challenge in an area. We are dipping regularly, whereby we are not having any shortfalls as compared to the previous year, where when we didn't have the help or the assistance. Because we are getting some funds from FAO, these funds are assisting us in training some of the guys who are joining in when these other guys leave. So that help is taking us a long way, of which we really appreciate.
Dambudziko guru ratinaro pano ndere mvura. Dai tatakwanisa kuti mugodhi wedu wagadzirwawo woiswa pump nekuchizogadzirawo trench inoende korasire mvura mudhibhi. Zvakaoma sei dhibhi rinopinde 20,000 liters kushandise bucket rakadai re 10 liters. Tinoona kuti tinotoswera kana kuti 2 days techicherera dhibhi irori kuti mombe dzidhibhe.
Approximately 540,000 households owning 5.2 million cattle are benefiting in this program. FAO input facilitates the regular supply of the dipping chemicals to the 4,000 dip tanks in the rural areas to cover at least 26 dipping sessions per dip tank throughout the year.
Mashandredu pano ngekukokorodza vanhu kuudza vanhu kuti uyai nemombe otsi tinonga taurira vanhu kuti uyai musi wakati ticherere mvura tadaro zviya izvi tosangana zuva rechitatu kazhinji zhinji ndozuva todhibha pano pane mamwedzi etodhibha